Hi friends, I welcome you to the exclusive online free dental lecture series. Today's lecture will be on basic physics of radiation. I have noticed that this particular topic is a nightmare, especially for the undergrad students. If you understand the basic concepts behind the physics of radiation, then you will never forget this topic. Let me simplify this chapter for you. To begin with, say you have an object or a particular element in hand, the fundamental or the basic unit with which it is made is called as an atom. An accumulation of single species of such atoms together is called as an element. Now let us see that what is there inside the atom. The atom has a central core made of protons and neutrons, which you can imagine like the sun in the center of the solar system. And then you have the electrons orbiting around the central nucleus, which you can imagine as the planets going around the sun. So now let me tell about the characteristics of the atom. The proton, P for P, positively charged. The neutron, N for N, which is no charge. And the electron is negatively charged. Now that you know the parts of an atom, it is easy to define the atomic number and the mass number. Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons present in an atom, whereas the mass number means the total number of protons and the neutrons present in the atom. The electrons orbit around the nucleus of an atom at a definitive path, and each of these orbits is called as K, L, M, N, and so on and so forth. In this atomic model, you can see that the electrons are maintained in their respective places in the orbits by a force of attraction between the positively charged nucleus and the negatively charged electrons, and this is called as a binding energy. What happens when a radiation strikes our body? Our body is made up of millions and trillions of atoms. When the radiation strikes an atom, an electron is lost in the process, and that is called the negative ion. The atom which has lost the electron is called as a positive ion, and this process of conversion of an atom into an ion is called as ionization, and there is some amount of energy required to pull this electron out of the atom, and this energy has to be more than the binding energy between the electron and the nucleus, and this energy which is required to pull the electron out is called as ionization energy. So friends, that is the basics of radiation physics, and it will be continued in the next lecture series. In case you have any doubts or you want me to take a topic in particular, then do comment below and I will try my best to answer your queries. Thank you.